Good day. I'm Nate Carrick, CEO at KenMed Surgical. Choosing the right equipment planner can save your new surgery center build $1 million. And the savings don't stop there. By partnering with a planner offering a full suite of certified, refurbished equipment, a world of opportunity opens up for you. At KenMed, we prioritize total cost of ownership because downtime is your biggest hidden equipment expense. Selecting a vendor with deep knowledge of repair likelihood, serviceability, parts availability, and cost is critical to managing your surgical equipment's long-term value. And that's where we shine. Our in-house biomed team services facilities from coast to coast, and we've built a proprietary database of service cost and history. And this informs our recommendations, ensuring that you get the most reliable, cost-effective equipment. You'll not only secure the best deal up front, but also enjoy the highest overall satisfaction with equipment that maximizes uptime and ROI. With KenMed, you're choosing a partner who blends a decade of planning expertise with real-world service insights. We deliver savings, predictability, and performance so your ASC thrives from day one and beyond.
That one might be the best yet.